Hello students, today we are going to discuss the story from your book. The name of the chapter is The Snake and the Mirror. Okay, it is written by the Vaikom Muhammad Bashir and it is translated by the Malayalam by V. Abdullah. Okay, this is a story. Tells us, the writer is telling us about the story which was told to him by a homeopathic doctor. Okay, as we see from the title, as it is reflecting from the title, the snake and the mirror are the two most important things in the story. Okay, this homeopathic doctor encountered a snake and the snake fell on the doctor. When the snake saw its reflection in the mirror, it was more interested in that the doctor's life saved. Okay, this is all about the introduction of the chapter. Here, this is a story narrated by the homeopathic doctor. And the homeopathic doctor is narrating the story and he asked the writer and the group if anyone had even been wrapped up by a cobra snake. कि क्या किसी को ज़िंदगी में ऐसा हुआ है कि उसको चारों तरफ जो है वो कोबरा स्नेक लिपट गया हो, किसी ने स्नेक ने उसको रैप अप कर लिया हो. द ऑडियंस बिकेम साइलेंट ड्यू टू द फियर ऑफ द कोबरा स्नेक. देन द डॉक्टर नरेटेड हिज स्टोरी. Okay, then the doctor start narrating his story and this is it was a hot summer night, almost 10 o'clock, and he was returning home after having his dinner at the restaurant. As the doctor was opening the door of his room, he heard a noise from the above, but he had not reacted because he was used to such noises. इस तरह की noises का उसको कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था, वो इस चीज़ का आदी था. He was used to listen of such kind of the noise. It was the noise of the rats. There were many rats in his room, so he was used to that noise. There was no light in the doctor's rooms, so he lightened the kerosene lamp with a matchbox. He had taken a small room on the rent. एक छोटा सा रूम उसने किराए पे ले रखा था जहाँ पे लाइट वगैरह भी नहीं थी. एंड फॉर लाइटन अप हिज रूम ही यूज द केरोसिन लैम्प. एज ही हैड जस्ट स्टार्टेड हिज मेडिकल प्रैक्टिस, सो ही वॉज अर्निंग वेरी लेस. ही इज़ नॉट वेरी रिच पर्सन. दैट इज़ वाई ही वॉज लिविंग इन सच अ सब काइंड ऑफ अ शैबी एंड द डर्टी कंडीशन. ही टोल्ड द राइटर दैट ही हैड जस्ट 60 रुपीज़ इन हिज बैग. ओके, राइटर को उसने बताया, जिसने ये स्टोरी लिखी है, कि उसके बैग में सिर्फ 60 रुपीज़ ही थे. एंड देन फर्दर ही एडेड दैट ही हैड सम शर्ट्स एंड धोतीज टू वेयर. ही ऑल्सो हैड अ ब्लैक कलर कोट विच ही वॉज वेयरिंग एट द टाइम ऑफ द इंसिडेंट. वो जिस उसने उस वक्त उसको पहन रखा था. ही रिमूव्ड हिज कोट, हिज शर्ट एंड हिज वेस्ट एज वेल. And what did he say? He said कि his vest was not so white. What does it mean? It means the vest was so dirty. जो बनियान था वो बहुत गंदा था. Then he opened the windows. The room which he had taken on rent was on the outside of the house, and one wall of the room faced the garden, and the roof had the tiles on it. And the beam on which the gable was supported was full of rats, which went in and about of the room throughout. पूरा टाइम जो है वो चूहे उसके कमरे में इधर उधर कूदते उछलते रहते थे, शोर मचाते रहते थे. He set his bed near the wall and he laid down to sleep but could not sleep. It seemed that the wind god had taken time off, means that as the winds was not blowing, the wind god had taken a day off. It was he was on holiday, and so the wind was not blowing at all. He had gone out to get some fresh air because he did not any fan or the cooler in his room, so he was feeling hot. वो क्या कह रहा है वो इसमें कि जैसे उसकी छुट्टी होती है इसी तरह से ऐसा लग रहा था कि हवा की भी छुट्टी थी, हवा ने भी ऑफ ले रखा था. इट मीन्स बिल्कुल भी हवा नहीं चल रही थी और उसके पास अपनी गर्मी को दूर करने का कोई और सोर्स नहीं था. एज ही डोंट हैव एनी fan or cooler in his home. He came back to his room and sat on a chair, and he opened a box under the table and took out a book named Materia Medica. He kept it on the same table on which a mirror and a small comb was lying. He opened it and sat down. And he was sitting in front of the mirror. He looked at his image in the mirror. He says that he was a great admirer of the beauty. वो अपनी खूबसूरती को देख के खुश हो रहा था. As a young man, he was a young man. He liked to appreciate a beautiful thing and wanted to improve his looks to look more handsome. वो unmarried भी था. He was an unmarried person and he was a doctor too. He was an eligible bachelor, so he wanted to make people know that he was also available. तो वो चाहता था कि लोगों को पता चले कि वो भाई एक कुंवारा खूबसूरत कमाऊ नौजवान है अवेलेबल जो शादी के लिए तैयार है. So he combed his hair trying to set them properly. When he was combing his hair, he again heard the same sound from the above, but he ignored. He looked carefully in the mirror and decided that he would shave daily and grow a thin mustache because he thought that he would look better and more handsome in it. He appreciated himself and said that he had an attractive smile. And again he is stressing that he was a bachelor and he was a doctor too, and he was a very handsome and good looking personality. And he got up from his chair and started walking up and down in the room, and then he decided on one more thing. He decided to marry a woman doctor who had lots of money and good medical practice. Further, the doctor thought that he would marry a fat girl. For that he had a logic reason also. He reasoned that if sometimes he makes some mistakes and his wife chases him in anger to hit him, she will not be able to run fast and catch him if she would be fat. अगर मोटी हो गई तो वो भाग कर उसको पकड़ नहीं पाएगी. ऐसा उसने डिसाइड करा कि वो किसी मोटी लेडी से ही शादी करेगा. वो इन्हीं सब ख्वाबों ख्यालों में डूबा हुआ था. He was just totally in the world of imagination and appreciation as well. That's it for today. I'll continue my chapter in my lecture in my next